गुड मॉर्निंग इंडिया, नमस्ते। और आज मैं आपको दूंगा एक बहुत बड़ी इंफॉर्मेशन जो आपके हेल्थ की और फिटनेस से रिलेटेड है। और ये फैक्ट्स जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि मिलियंस ऑफ पीपल इन आवर कंट्री एंड ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम chronic diseases like diabetes, heart diseases, and many other ailments after the age of 45. And what is the reason for that? One of the most important reason I found was that people who are sitting on a chair for more than 5 hours a day will become sick and will suffer from severe diseases, chronic diseases, heart diseases and all that what we are talking about, diabetes. Because our body, our system needs motion, movement, vibrations, energies too. And what we are doing, when you are sitting for 5 hours a day on a chair, or you are working in a place where you are sitting the whole day, your energy levels will fall. Your immune system will fall, your body will become very very weak, and your energy levels will go to such a low extent that you will become a deceased person. Therefore, what we can do, the chair which is giving you comfort is responsible for your sickness. Also, I discovered that large younger generation is now suffering from eye problems and back pains because of the extra use of the light energy of the laptops. You know, these laptops, they emit energy, they emit radiations also, and your body posture is extremely important. When your body posture is not in alignment, then naturally you will suffer from diseases from the back pain and spondylitis, and many eye problems will come. So here today is my purpose to demonstrate few simple things which you can do in order to save yourself from sitting for a longer period on chair and working on laptops. You can see this is the chair. This is the chair on which you are sitting the whole day. How you sit on a chair? You are sitting, there is a laptop, and like this you are sitting. Now this will result in serious diseases. What you have to do after 30 minutes or half an hour, student, half an hour, 1 hour after your work, you can do some exercises. Stand, sit, up, down, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now what I do, I remove this chair. You have removed this chair, you can try. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. You can try for 10 rounds, 20 rounds, and slowly keep on increasing your rounds. Can you sit like this? Up. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. What we are trying to do, we are also breathing. Breathing is very important because inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide is going out of your body. Your respiratory system will start functioning, your lungs will open up, So we can do simple exercises while we are sitting at chair for a longer period of time. 1, 2, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. You can rotate, you can go to this side. Inhale, exhale. You can rotate your shoulders while sitting on the chair. You can improve your body postures. How you sit on a chair. You can hold the chair from the back side. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You can do rotations. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Neck rotation, neck rotations, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Try You have to try, keep on working, keep on making your parts to move, student. Keep on moving your parts. This is very important. Motion is very important. The whole body should come to rest. This generates a lot of energy which is stored inside your body, releases energy, and your energy levels jump up, they go high, and the fitness level will improve. That's very, very important and essential. And sitting on the chair, you can see, you can do many exercises many times a day in order to keep yourself healthy and fit. You have legs. You try all this simple things. There are ways to improve your health, your fitness, once you are aware what is the cause. And backside, when you are using laptops, a larger number of younger generation, you can use some eye exercises. Blink your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. So what I am trying to tell you, that by making simple and small changes and making all parts of body moving, you can improve your health and save yourself for the coming diseases which can come anytime after the age of 40 in your life because of your sedentary lifestyle. नमस्ते, मैं फिर मिलता हूं आपको फिर नए टिप्स के साथ, नई हेल्थ टिप्स के साथ. हमारा पर्पस हेल्दी इंडिया, फिट इंडिया, और आपको लाइफ में एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन देना कि आप अपनी लाइफ को, अपने बॉडी को, अपने शरीर को अच्छा रखिए. दिस इज फॉर योर बेनिफिट. नमस्ते.